Hey everybody, how's it going today? Justin the Red Island Shaver coming at you with a rare Inside the Den for the midweek video. So I've been tagged by Just Lance and by JB over at Distorted Edge in the 3 razor 1 shave tag around thing. So I have a very nice selection here today, I do believe. I'll start with the razors. So the razors I will be using first pass will be from good old Sheffield, England, my Wade and Butcher the Celebrated. This is going to be an international shave as well. So after we get done with England, we're going to take a trip to Italy with the Focus Slim Aluminum. That has a Voscod in it. And then for the final pass, we're going to come back to North America with the Made in the USA Gillette Fat Boy and a little international flair in this. This has a Japanese feather blade in it. So the other hard thing to think of with a shave like this, what are you going to use for a software? What are you going to use for a soap? So the only thing that really came to mind right off the bat with this lovely menage a trois of razors, if we're going to get a little kinky and down and dirty, we're going to go Canadian with First Canadian Kink. As you guys know, this is one of my absolute favorite soaps and scents. It's just gorgeous. It's just so dirty. So dirty. Perfect for this menage a trois of razors. The brush we're going to use today, just going to get a little bit wetter. For this menage a trois of razors is the Spiffo Murdoch. You can look at the coin there, 24 mil tuxedo knot. I like this to be very damp as possible. This is a softer soap, although this newer formula is firmer than the previous ones. It is still quite a soft soap. As you can see, a few swirls in the tub. That's loaded already, and that's going to give me more than enough soap to do the shave with. That I'm sure of it. I think that was like 5 swirls, 6 swirls in the tub. Face is already damp, so we'll just paint this in and start latherizing it. And as you can see, it is quite pasty. And once you start to add water, it'll really start to open up. It's going to get a little bit messy here at the start, but that's okay. I'm wearing one of my favorite t-shirts. Usually I've been wearing a muscle shirt lately, but now I'm going to wear a t-shirt because I want this kink stink all over the shirt. And I know this is just going to continue to take water, so I'm just going to splay right now. And quickly build a lather. Yeah, that short little load is going to give me more than enough soap. Hope everybody's having a great day. I'm having a nice day, nice and sunny here in the Red Island, which is Prince Edward Island, Canada. And you can see how quickly that is whipping up the lather. It's coming together quite nice already. It's still going to take a bit more water to get to that desired consistency. It's still a little bit pasty. A little bit of this soap goes a long, long, long way. I'll just keep grabbing stuff off the neckline and working it in. Oh, love the scent on this stuff. So dirty. Coffee, leather, dirt, tonka bean, bourbon. Basically smells like that uncle at the Christmas parties that nobody really wants to talk to. But no, it's great. It is a little bit sweeter than version 1. The coffee scent in this is a little bit sweeter than the original, so it's more like like a cafe au lait, but very, very nice. And we'll paint just a little bit more water in. There, I think we're there now. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful lather. Brush is completely full of it. There, you don't want to look at my face, just look at that brush. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Gorgeous. All right, so I have lather absolutely freaking everywhere here. Dump out the last little bit of the distilled water out of the scuttle. Clean up the work area as best we can. And that's just off the bottom of the neck. Gorgeous. And this is actually why I wear the muscle shirt, so I don't get this lather all over my shirt, but that's okay. So, dry the fingers off. Get this big old razor ready for action. Heat up this 1890s British steel, and we'll go to work. Beautiful. Oh, the edge on this is so nice. Go to the other side. Very nice. All right. The only pain in the butt about this video is there's going to be 3 razors to clean at the end. All right, do a quick rinse. Wonderful. If you guys like coffee, you will really like this version of Kink. It leaves a lot of that coffee scent on the skin. Beautiful. All right, so we are done with jolly old England. Now we'll head off to Italia and Russia. Da Tavarish. Actually, I forget what I was doing. Now we're going across the grain. Across the grain. I like to think this is a good show of technique, going from a slightly heavier touch with the straight to a slightly lighter touch with the shave head. All right, Italy/Russia is done. Then we will lather up. We can give America a shot, eh? Forget about it. Forget about it. Look at that lather. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Do the mustache this time around. And actually really looking forward to this pass, because this is the pass I don't like doing because I can't see what I'm doing that well. Now I get to do it with a DE. And we are set on numero dos. Only 20 some hours of growth on this shave. Very nice. And I'll just do my usual touch up across the grain. And we'll call her a shave. So I got to tag some people, I guess. Hardest part of this is figuring out who to tag, who hasn't already done this. So I think I'm going to tag Matti Lindholm, because I don't think he's done this yet. I'm going to tag another Swedish guy, Frank Stromberg. I don't think he's done this yet. And I'm going to pick on somebody from the UK. I think I'm going to pick the Brighton Shaver. I don't think he's been tagged in one of these yet. So those are my 3 picks. So I want to see a video from you guys. We'll do the quick rinse off and then the post. Of all the things to get a weeper with, I think I may have gotten a weeper with the DE. Felt a little something something over here, but I can't see it, so don't really care. Residual slickness on this soap is phenomenal. I could easily probably take that Wade and Butcher and go over my face again right now, just as is. Any of you guys that have tried First Canadian know this for a fact. It's great soap. Beautiful. All right, so for the post, of course I have the matching set. I have the Kink Witch Hazel based aftershave splash. Perfect pairing to the soap. Smells the exact same. The coffee scent is the same and everything is identical. Being Witch Hazel based, there's absolutely no burn. feels really good, really nice on the skin. It's not drying, very moisturizing, and this stuff has legs. Especially wearing the shirt here that's got the soap on it, and yeah, the aftershave. I'll be smelling this for the rest of the night, which is good. As I like to say, it smells so nice, we'll do it twice. Just like Frank's Red Hot Sauce. Put that shit on everything. Smell good when Mrs. Red Island Shaver gets home from work tonight. Alright, so that's it. Quick recap. So, for the Software and Splash, first Canadian kink set. Great stuff. If you don't have any of this and you like dirty scents, hit my man Randy up and get yourself some of that. I will post a link in the description below. I went to England, Sheffield, specifically for the first pass. That was restored by Randy at First Canadian. Then went to Italy/Russia for the second pass with the Focus Slim Aluminum. And then back to North America and Japan with the Fat Boy with a feather blade. And to top it all off, the Canadian brush to go with the Canadian soap. This is Murdoch by Edward at Spiffo. If you guys don't have a Spiffo brush in your den, what are you waiting for? Go grab one. So that's the shave, guys. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. I am planning on doing a shave on Saturday on my channel, and then that will be it until Christmas. So I will see you guys then. So once again, the tags are Matti Lindholm, Frank Stromberg, and Brighton Shaver. So thank you very much, everybody. As always, friends, have a great day, eat an even better shave, and we'll catch you on the weekend. Bye.